is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily export timesheets to QuickBooks Online. So we're currently here at Project Insight, and all you have to do is head over to projectinsight.net, and from there just make sure that you're logged into your account. If you don't have an existing account, make sure to create one. And from here, just head over and click on the three-line icon that can be found at the top left corner of your screen. Then select QBO. Click on Export Timesheet. And from the list, just select the specific timesheet and click on Send Timesheets to QBO. You will then be prompted to select the specific QBO employee or vendor. Then once done, just head over and click on Map. You will then be prompted to map some projects, then head over and click on Map. You should then get a message or note that says after looking things over, everything looks to be in order and your selected timesheets are ready to go. You can just head over and click on Send to QBO. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!